So I did this job, and I was wondering afterwards, why am I nervous? Why was I nervous during that job? And I was like, I do this all the time. Not getting the nervous part, but I'm doing these dents all the time. And when it comes to doing a customer's car, I do get a little nervous. And I was like, why do I get nervous? Why do I get nervous? And I realized it's because I care, and I care about my reputation, and I care about my job. I guess if I wasn't nervous, I guess it would mean that I don't really care. I don't give a shit. But it was just kind of an interesting thing. So here's that video of the car that made me nervous. Later. Here we have a very beautiful brand new BMW with a nice brand new dent on the door. Ouch. I'm going to use a few different tools on this thing. Try to get it out as clean as possible. Glass this thing off. There's nothing wrong with this car, so we got to keep it flawless. See what we can do. Here's a close-up. I'm about halfway done here. Oh wow, I forgot. There's all my tools. Bunch of hammers. Bunch of tools. Here's the close-up. I'm about halfway done here. And I'm just trying to clean it up. I did a lot of the pushing. Now I'm just cleaning it up. This is where it gets fun. Time consuming, but fun. And here is the end. Glassed off. I'm really happy with the outcome of this. I'm sure the customer's going to be. Really, really nice.